Okay, you've finished your scarf and you are now ready to weave in all the ends that you have. You've changed colour, so here are two ends on the side there. So we just thread the needle, just squish it through the eye of the needle. There we go. And the great thing about doing the eye cord up the side is this is where we're going to hide all our ends. So we just basically make sure you're actually on the wrong side of your work. I should have mentioned that. So we know this is the wrong side because I can see where we've changed the yarn colour. Whereas on the other side, it's just a nice tidy change of colour like that. We can't see the actual yarn going through there. So this is the wrong side of our work. And then we are just going to thread that up the inside of our eye cord. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, so I'm just pushing the needle through. Just go up about that far and then pull your yarn ends, pull the needle out, and then just pull on that, snip. You're going to snip that yarn there and just pull it so that it hides the end of the tails. Okay, so I've got my scissors here, so I'm just going to snip so we can pull it out a little bit, stretch it out, snip, and then stretch that side and see how it just hides that end really neatly. All done.